Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I create DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. And today I'm creating three beautiful Christmas DIYs that I'm going to make out of Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. For DIY number 1, I took 3 silver ornaments and removed the top cover from it, and then I took this disposable wine glass stand and I placed the ornaments one on top of the other like so. With the help of hot glue gun, I'm going to glue the neck of the ornament so that it is glued onto the other ornament, and this is how I'm just going to glue all the 3 ornaments together, one on top of the other. Then again I also took this second disposable wine glass stand and I'm going to spray paint both of them with chrome metallic paint. I let the spray paint dry for a while, and then I took some chrome or silver pearls and I glued them to the neck of the ornaments, and this gives a nice finish touch to the middle portion of the candle stand that I'm creating, so that it looks nice and finished. Then I glued the other wine glass base to the top end of the ornament, and this is where I'm going to place the candle. To make the candle stand a little more sturdy, I glued a small mirror round which I had at hand, and I glued this at the base of the candle stand, and this solves dual purpose, that is to make the candle stand a little more sturdier, and it also looks a little more pretty. Lastly, I placed a small tea light candle on top of the candle stand, and I made this customized tea light happy holidays tea light candle last year, and I'll link that video down in the description box if you want to check out how I made it. And this is how my tea light candle holder looks, candle stand looks. It looks so gorgeous, super pretty, and it was so easy to make, and I'm really loving it. Today I'm participating in the Crafting for a Cause challenge hosted by Teresa from the channel Teresa B DIY, and her co-host this month is Lynn Combs from the channel Hot Mess and Hot Glue. Moving on to DIY number 2, and let me also tell you about the charity that we are supporting this month. It is Heart Support, and it is a community created by Jake Lurs of August Barnes Red, where people discover the strength to overcome suicidal thoughts, depression, addiction, and other adversities. And I have linked the NPO and the charity in the description box below in case you want to check it out, spread a word, or even make a donation. And let's move on to the DIY. Here I'm making a framed wreath, and for that I took white and red ribbon. You can take ribbon of any size, color, whatever you feel like, and just make a bow out of it. I took two ribbons of two size and also 2 different designs, and I'm going to make 2 bows out of it and glue them one on top of the other. I glued the bow on top of a white photo frame, and then I turned the photo frame around, and then I glued 3 ornaments at the back side. I took some ribbon and run it through the ornament and just hung it with the help of hot glue randomly, or to make some sort of design so that the 3 ornaments are just hanging like so. Next, to add a little bit of more festive touch to this wreath that I'm creating, I added a small metal star on top of the bow, and also I glued two wooden Christmas trees on one side, and this gives a nice Christmas feel to my this framed wreath that I'm creating. The holographic ornaments look super gorgeous. You can see that it reflects light so beautifully and it looks so pretty. There's snow written on top of one of the ornament and it's filled with some glitter. And this framed wreath is so easy to make, so simple yet so pretty, and so unique also. Next is my third DIY for today, and for that I took a square coaster made out of wood, and I also took a round embroidery hoop and I glued the hoop on top of the coaster. I covered the hoop and the coaster with some cotton to make it look like snow, and I also glued a small Santa figurine at one side along with a small Christmas tree. Now, let me tell you something really interesting, and that is I'm announcing my very first giveaway here on YouTube. And as it is my birth month, and that is December, yes, what better month to do a giveaway than December? I'm planning to reach the goal of 1000 subscribers by the end of this month, and also planning a giveaway to celebrate this success once I'm done with reaching the milestone. And all you have to do is to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ask your friends, family, and relatives to subscribe and help me reach 1000 subscribers. And then I will choose 4 lucky winners randomly who will each win 50 Singapore dollar Amazon or Lazada vouchers. And this giveaway is valid globally, so all can participate. So all you have to do is spread the word, and you can check out all the details of the giveaway in the description box below for all the rules. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment down below as to which DIY out of the 3 was your favorite and why. And also spread the word so that I hit the milestone as early as possible. The giveaway is valid until 25th of December, and the winners will be announced once I reach the milestone. So stay tuned, and you can check my community tab on the YouTube, and you will get the names of the winners there. So moving on to my next step of the DIY, I'm gluing these red ornaments on top of the embroidery hoop with the help of hot glue, and I'm gluing the ornaments in different shapes and sizes. And I'm only using red color because I wanted it to have the festive and traditional colors, and also because of the Santa is red, so I really like the red colors here. And you can see that the ornaments are glued and they look so pretty. These are going to be the balloons, and these balloons are being held by Santa. I'm just going to make the threads of these balloons with the help of fishing line. So I just marked the size and cut the fishing line according to size, and I'm going to glue one end of the fishing lines, 5 to 6 of fishing lines, to one hand of Santa, and I'm going to glue with the help of hot glue, and the other end I'm going to glue at the back side of the baubles. So this is going to look like how Santa is holding the balloons, the helium balloons in festive color in his hands. Lastly, I decorated the balloons with some mini snowflakes, and this also fills in the space in between the balloons, and this is how it is looking. I put some mini snowflakes on top of the fishing lines also so that it is visible more nicely, and this is how my cute little Santa is looking, holding all the balloons for the small children who are ready to take gifts from Santa. This is so whimsical and so pretty, and I really like how 3 of the ornaments DIY turned out. Let me know which out of the 3 was your favorite and why, to enter the giveaway. And also thanks a lot for watching. I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, happy holidays.